Okay, now let's do some calculations for everyone. If we print raw pigment ink on 10,000 meters of fabric, we can save 2 tons of steam and 60 cubic meters of water. It's a large amount in a year. The traditional printing and dyeing process is complex and wastes a lot of energy with high costs and even unstable quality. Bosses, if you want to improve production efficiency and lower the costs, try INKBANK raw pigment ink. It is compatible with all kinds of fabrics, such as nylon, polyester, cotton, liner, silk, and other blended fabrics. The printing process is simple, no steaming or watering. It is environmental friendly with low carbon and zero pollution. INKBANK pigment ink with nanoparticle furation. Sediment is not easy to happen. During production, it can make sure that the print heads will not be clogged, even after printing 10,000 meters of fabric. With unique technology, it improves the dry rubbing color fastness of the ink. Its ultraviolet resistance performance meets the standards for outdoor textiles. Raw pigment ink INKBANK is truly trustworthy.